5 of the best-behaved dog breeds Part 2. 1. Papillon. Friendly, outgoing, and eager to please, Papillons are highly trainable and excel in agility and obedience training. 2. Havanese. Intelligent and sensitive, Havanese dogs respond well to positive reinforcement training and are often used as therapy dogs. 3. German Shepherd. Highly intelligent and loyal, German Shepherds are often used as police dogs and thrive on structure and obedience training. 4. Miniature Schnauzer. Intelligent and energetic, miniature Schnauzers are highly trainable and excel in dog sports like agility and obedience. 5. Portuguese Water Dog. Intelligent and active, Portuguese water dogs are highly trainable and love to please their owners, making them well-suited for obedience training and active families.